Taking a look here at Walmart today for a possible swing, looking at this chart and kind of what the news is, what's going on with Walmart, and kind of my overall plan, talking about it in this video, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at Walmart. Do me one big favor, though. Do me one big favor before we get into it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also, if you have any ideas for stocks that we should take a look at, for stocks that could be great swing trades for 2018, kind of long-term holds, leave a comment below. Let me know what stocks you're really bullish on. Let's get a conversation going here and kind of bounce some ideas around. Maybe I'll pick your stock to look at and do a video about soon. So leave a comment below. Let's get into it. Talking about Walmart and what I'm looking at, why I think Walmart has potential at this point, and kind of where I might be buying at, and then kind of my overall plan for this swing trade. This might be kind of a longer swing trade. This could be, 2-3 months at tops, maybe a little bit less. We'll see kind of what happens with the overall market recently, but I am expecting some type of action here on Walmart for that swing trade, for a possible reversal at this point. And I'm going to kind of break down the chart here and then my thesis and idea on why I think Walmart has potential. So you can see the trend here for Walmart in 2017, rallying from $66 up there above 100. I think the high was around $100 right there at the end of 2017. And now 2018, it did have a nice little spike up there at the $110 area. But ever since then, it's been pulling back. They had earnings. They didn't really miss that badly, but there was kind of some bad numbers there. The market didn't like the earnings, kind of the news, and that's just part of it. Sometimes, these companies, even if the earnings are good, even if they have a good ER, there might be some bad information, some bad news in there, and then kind of the overall sector. What's going on with retail? What's going on with kind of grocery stores? You got Amazon pushing hard with Whole Foods. You got a lot of stuff just happening in that sector. But I do think Walmart will be one of those main competitors for Amazon. If anybody can do it, I think Walmart is that company. I don't see Amazon just totally taking over and just having no competition. Kind of grocery stores, I really think it'll be someone like Walmart who's going to be able to compete on a price level, on a size level, and then kind of just competitively be in the market space. So Walmart already has all their stores around the country. There's stores in every major city, every small town. There's a Walmart. There's a lot of stuff that Walmart has going for it, but the stock price is not really reflecting that right now. So kind of looking here at the chart, you can see that $110 spike up there in beginning. So you can see, so looking here at the chart, $110 high back there in February. All of February, it's been pulling back. Walmart has been getting crushed, really. It pulled back from $110 area. It's down 20% around there to the $87 area. I do like the idea of buying Walmart at this area for a couple of different reasons. You can see previously back there, October, November, there was a nice support there at the $86, $87 area. So that's showing me that there is some support. We did just break below the 200-day moving average, but we are kind of bouncing off of this bottom. There is this downward trend. It's clearly moving down, and after this ER here, like I said, the ER in February, and then beginning of March now, kind of the market is kind of doing weird things, but I like this area to buy. Down 20% since the all-time high, which makes it a good buy if I'm looking to hold this kind of long term, with the idea that Walmart could possibly get back up to that $110 area or higher by the end of 2018. I'm not sure I want to hold it that long, but I am kind of hoping for a little bit more of a pullback. I would like to see this $85 area, and kind of this $85, $86 area would be nice on Walmart. So looking really quickly here at some of the analyst kind of ratings and then some of the target stock price here, it's looking pretty good. So you got a lot of analysts with buy ratings, you got analysts with hold ratings, a little overweight, but nobody has a sell rating right now. So overall, that's a good sign. Obviously, people can always change those ratings, but it is good to see that these analysts aren't changing. A lot of these big cap stocks do move when you have ratings changes. Now, if you look at the stock price targets, this is analysts saying kind of what they think the price of Walmart should be. Looking at the stock price target, you can see on the high side, $126, on the median side, $105, and then kind of low side would be $72. Right now we're at $87, but the average is around $104. So being there at $87, it gives us some good upside looking at this like, hey, we are kind of in a nice spot. Obviously, there's a little bit of a low side there, but I think that's probably like one rating. Most of the ratings are there around $100. And that's kind of what I like to see here, that we aren't buying here at the top, that all the ratings aren't like $100 and then Walmart's at $110 or, right at $99. So it's like right there at that rating. But I'm kind of seeing Walmart with the possibility that this could get back up there to that $100, $110 area, all-time high, and then we'll see kind of what happens with the overall market. So you can see really on this overall trend, Walmart has been trending lower, and you can see recently, you know, kind of bouncing off this trend line, this $90 area, pulling back down to 87. We got some support there at the 87.24. I think if we break below 87.24, we might get down there to the $85 area, which was that previous support before back in October. I would love to buy at $85. I'm going to be keeping an eye here. You know, if Walmart can pull back, if it keeps holding this support, we might have a chance this month to rally. But overall, just looking at this trend, you can see how it's been, you know, kind of waving, hitting this trend line, pulling back, hitting the trend line, pulling back. We might have a couple more days of pullback here, and then we get down there to the $85 area and then kind of load the boat on Walmart for a long-term hold. Like I said, I'm looking to hold this one for the next couple weeks, months on that end, with the idea that Walmart could possibly get back up there to the all-time highs by the end of 2018. So basically my plan would be to buy here at the $85 area and then look kind of to take profit there at the $100 area, and then maybe a little bit, you know, hold a little bit for that possible all-time high. We'll see how kind of the overall market's working. We'll see kind of the news. We'll see what the news is for Walmart. But right now, this is what I'm going to keep an eye on. Walmart for a possible kind of long-term swing. Investing at this point, it's down 20% since all-time high. That's kind of signaling to me that there is a chance that Walmart might kind of bounce back. I'm buying it discounted. I'm not buying it all-time highs. I'm not trying to load the boat when it's at $110. I'm looking to buy now that we found some support there, and you know, I can see, okay, there's support, $85 area. Dips below $85, maybe gets back down here to the $78 area. So it's not a massive downside. Obviously, I don't really want to hold it till it hits $78, and I'll be kind of keeping an eye. If it does break through $85, I might kind of wait and see if it can pull back down there to the $78 area. It might not be fun, it might not be crazy, it might not be a 100% mover, but I'm expecting some type of upside here in 2018, kind of similar to the move that Walmart had in 2017. You can see 2017 went from $66, pretty much a 100% move in 2017 for Walmart. It had some nice drops along the way, but overall it did trend higher, But overall, Walmart did end up much higher by the end of 2017. And that's what I'm hoping I can find a dip here, buy the dip, and sell the rip later on. And that's kind of my goal here. I like that the analysts have set prices much higher than where it is right now. I like that the analysts have set prices much higher than it currently is at. I like that, you know, there's no sell ratings. Everyone's kind of bullish on this stock, at least in the sense that they're saying hold, hold, hold. Buying here at a 20% discount could be a great play. Looking to buy Walmart there at the $85, $86, $87 area. So that kind of range right here. And I like to see maybe one more little pullback. Give me that $85 area. I'll look to go long there and then hold Walmart for a possible retest of all-time highs by the end of 2018. So there it is. My plan to hold Walmart, to buy Walmart, and kind of my overall thesis on why I like Walmart at this point. I'll talk to you guys later on.